How to log into your account in the Reddit app on your phone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Reddit app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of login interface. From here, you can easily log into your account. But in order to log into your account, you must have already created your Reddit account before. If you don't have any account, at the bottom you can see the sign up option. Tap on this. From here, you can create a new account for yourself. You can use your Google account or your email. After you create your account, head over to the login page again, and you can use the same credentials in order to log into your account. If you have created your account using the Google account, tap on this continue with Google. If you have created using your email, you can tap on this use email or username section. Tap on it, select your account, and there you go, you will be easily logged into your Reddit account. So that's a very simple process to log into your account in the Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.